Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on Bose 700 NC wireless Bluetooth headphones. In case you're having issues with the headphones that are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they keep disconnecting, or maybe they are connecting but not to the device you want, and you just want to clear out all of the paired devices so that you can start fresh and pair them with whatever you want. To do the hard reset is quite a simple thing to do. You are going to need to have access to a USB-C charging cable that is plugged in so you can charge it. Because what you're going to do is real simple, is you're going to come and press and hold the Bluetooth button. And about a second after you start pressing and holding the Bluetooth button, you're going to go ahead and plug in the bottom of the earphone the USB-C plug, and all the while holding down the Bluetooth button. And then you're just going to continue to hold that for 5 to 10 seconds until the light indicator on the bottom of the earphone blinks twice. Once that happens, the headphones will be reset and you can pair them with whatever you want. Just one more thing before I go. If you're in the market for a new credit card, Chase is giving away $200 right now just for signing up for a credit card. I have a link in the description if you're interested.